let me get you outside in our area. This is what it looks like right now. 31 degrees, a partly cloudy sky. We've got so much to talk about because the pattern that we're in now is just so very active. We have a couple of minor storms. We have one potentially major storm. What do I mean when I say a major storm? A major refers to 6 inches of snow or more. And that major possibility would be Sunday late into early Monday. We're going to talk about that here a little bit more detailed in just a moment. But New York City, with that major event, it may not be a major snow event for the city. It looks right now like it could be mostly rain. That is subject to change, but right now that's what the data is suggesting, and that's where my belief is currently. What it looks like outside right now, we're actually doing just fine. Here's the leading edge of the snow that we are watching, and what I'd like to do is sort of time that out because it looks like that wants to get into the New York City area sometime around 3 o'clock in the morning or so. If you make things a little bit broader, I'll show you everything that's going on out there. So we've got that first system. I just showed it to you. That's your Friday morning snowfall. Then you have this system down around Louisiana and the Gulf Coast. That's your Saturday morning snowfall. Could have some sleet mixed in there as well. And then the Sunday event, it's not an event yet. It's offshore. It's right here. But that is forecast to get us back together, pick up some Atlantic coast moisture as it pushes offshore around like the Carolinas and skirts up the seaboard. Could be the biggest one, at least of those three that I've shown you right there. So let's go through everything. Here we go into tomorrow morning. This is 7:30 in the morning, snowing, and it's actually, pretty widespread for us. But by 1 o'clock, by lunchtime, it's basically done. The numbers are not huge, trace to 1, we said, that 1 to 2. But the more I'm looking at the signature, the more I think it could just be a widespread 1 to 2. I think we've all got a chance for 1 to 2, maybe even a little bit more than 2 in some spots out there. Then you get to Saturday morning. Watch this. Here we go, starting off early Saturday. I'm talking like 1:30 in the morning, okay? So late Friday night. You've got snow out there, but watch the rain snow line. It actually goes south. That's pretty decent accumulating snow that you have right there. It then pushes out of here. The numbers look to be a little bit bigger, maybe like a widespread 1 to 4. It's just a potential for a little bit bigger number on the high end. So a couple of small systems. The bigger system is going to be on Sunday. That moves in. Again, you're seeing snow and that mixing line right over the city, which is why we think the city could be mostly rain. But north and west, that's quite a bit of snow. Look, it's putting 10 inches down for Monticello, about an inch or so in the city. That's the European model. That's a very early call for that late Sunday event. We'll watch it. It has the potential, a lot of moisture in it. So all we can do right now is watch the track of it. If it pushes, ironically, if it pushes further away from us, further out in the ocean, it would be more snow for us. It's a colder solution. But right now it looks like it stays right close to our shore. North and west get a lot. We don't get much.